Hello everyone. So our topic for today is chapter number 4.1. 4.1, please listen. The poet over here is not given. If you see, the author is unknown. Okay. So the poet का उसका identity mention नहीं किया है. Let us start with the poem. Please listen. When I ask you to listen to me and you start giving me advice, you have not done what I have asked. When I ask you to listen to me and you begin to tell me why I shouldn't feel that way, you are trampling on my feelings. When I ask you to listen to me and you feel you have to do something to solve my problem, you have failed me, strange as that may seem. Listen, all I ask is that you listen. Don't talk or do, just hear me. Advice is cheap, 20 cents will give. You both, dear Abby and Billy Graham, in the same newspaper. And I can do for myself. I'm not helpless. Maybe discouraged and faltering, but not helpless. When you do something for me that I can and need to do for myself, you contribute to my fear and inadequacy. But when you accept as a simple fact that I feel what I feel, no matter how irrational, then I can stop trying to convince you and get about this business of understanding what's behind this irrational feeling. And when that's clear, the answer are obvious and I don't need advice. And when, irrational feelings make sense when we understand what's behind them. Perhaps that's why prayers work. Sometimes for some people because God is mute and He doesn't give advice or try to fix things. God just listens and lets you work it out for yourself. So please listen and just hear me. And if you want to talk, wait a minute for your turn and I will listen to you. Okay, so the poet over here is trying to say us, like you can say it is basically a request of a child or a child's expectation from his or her parent, that whenever they are asking them something, okay, that whenever he or she is asking the parents to listen to them, the parent starts advising, right? And that is something which the child doesn't likes, and the child is saying that when I ask you to listen to me and you start giving me advice, you have not done what I asked. Now over here, don't consider it that your parents are wrong. What happens basically is, see, when you ask them to listen, they start giving you advice because they feel that might be that advice or something would help you, right, in your future. अगर आप कभी भी कोई कंप्लेन या कुछ भी लेके जाते हो पेरेंट्स के पास, तो पेरेंट्स एडवाइस देते बिकॉज दे वांट यू टू कम आउट ऑफ इट. वो जो सिचुएशन है उसमें से आप बाहर आओ या आपको कोई डिफ़िकल्टीज ना हो, इसके लिए पेरेंट आपको एडवाइस करता है, राइट. सो डोंट कंसिडर इट कि बाबा पेरेंट्स आर ऑलवेज रॉन्ग. Over here the child is just trying to express his or her feelings. Okay, he's telling that whenever I'm trying to tell you, that whenever I'm asking you to listen to me, please listen and don't give advice. Okay, you have not done what I asked. So that is what they're saying, that when you don't listen to us, it feels like you're not doing something which I've asked, because I have asked you to listen to me, and when you don't listen to me and when you start giving advice, it feels like you are not doing you're not doing thing which I have said you. Okay, when I ask you to listen to me and you begin to tell me why I shouldn't feel that way, you are trampling on my feelings. Now what most of the time happens is the child expects, right, that you should listen to me, or just have a word with me. एक होता है ना बच्चे लोगों को, that whenever you are you want to express your feelings or whatever is going on in your mind, you feel like expressing it to someone, just say it to someone. So they are trying to say us the same thing. When I ask you to listen and you begin to tell me why. Now what most of the time happens is कि हम अगर कुछ पूछते हैं parents, so they tell you ना, this is right or this is wrong, you shouldn't do this. So that was the child is trying to say, that when you tell me why I shouldn't feel that way, you are trampling on my feelings. Okay, that I shouldn't feel that you are not understanding my feelings. or you are trying to just ignore my feelings. Okay, this child is just complaining. So don't think that the parents are wrong at their side. Both of them are perfect on both their sides. Okay, as per, as you see a child, since he is not that mature, थोड़ा immature होता है बच्चा, तो बच्चा को लगता है कि मेरा कोई सुनता नहीं है, बट पेरेंट्स भी क्यों एडवाइस करते, सो दैट आपका ही भला हो, राइट. उनको क्या एडवाइस देना अच्छा लगता है या बोलना अच्छा लगता है, इसके लिए वो नहीं देते. वो क्यों देते, सो दैट इट इज़ फॉर योर वेलफेयर, आपके अच्छे के लिए हो वैसा. When I ask you to listen to me and you feel you have to do something to solve my problem, you have failed me, strange as that may seem. वॉट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स हैपन्स इज, हम लोग अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम अपना शेयर करते हैं फैमिली मेम्बर्स या किसी भी बड़े के साथ, तो दे ट्राई टू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम. कि अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो उनको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं या कुछ ऐसा करने की कोशिश करते हैं जिससे हम वो प्रॉब्लम के बाहर आए. सो द चाइल्ड ओवर हियर इज सेइंग दैट यू हैव फेल्ड मी बिकॉज आई डोंट वॉन्ट यू टू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी, बट आई वॉन्ट यू टू लिसन टू दैट प्रॉब्लम विच आई एम फेसिंग. I don't want you to solve that problem. Okay, so when you solve that problem, I think that I have failed. Okay, so that's what the child is trying to say, that I just want you to listen to me, to be there with me, but don't solve my problems, because when you solve it, I feel strange. Listen, all I ask is that you listen. That the child over here is just trying to explain कि what I want, कि आप मेरी बात सुनो. इट्स राइट दैट यू आर विथ मी एंड यू वॉन्ट टू गिव मी सजेशंस, बट सबसे पहले आई want something from you is to listen to me. Just be there and listen, because what most of the times happens is when you just एक बोलते हैं ना हम कि सिर्फ किसी से बात करने से भी अच्छा लगता है. क्यों? बिकॉज आपका मन हल्का हो जाता है, राइट. यू शेयर योर थिंग्स विथ समवन. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट द चाइल्ड ओवर हियर इज ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू से, दैट जस्ट लिसन टू मी. Advice is cheap, 20 cents will give. You both, dear Abby and Billy Graham, in the same newspaper. And I can do for myself. I'm not helpless. Maybe discouraged and faltering, but not helpless. And he is trying to say that advice is something which is very cheap and anyone would give me, right? Advice or suggestions is something that anyone gives it for free. But to listen to someone is difficult, and I want you all to listen to me. And he's saying that I can do it for myself. Okay, that I'm not helpless. But maybe I'm discouraged. I'm not at that state when I feel that I have courage in myself, or maybe I am not in the proper stage to do something, but I'm not helpless. I am at the stage where I'm not able to do something, or I'm not in the stage to do something or to work for something, but I'm not helpless. I'll do things on. Okay, so that's what the child is trying to say, that I don't consider me helpless. Maybe I would be discouraged, or maybe I would be faltering. I won't be in the proper stage, but don't feel that I am helpless. When you do something for me that I can and need to do for myself, you contribute to my fear and inadequacy. That the child over here is trying to say that if you do something which I can already do, ओके कि मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ और आप वही चीज़ करते हो, सो आई फील दैट यू आर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग टू माई फियर. दैट वॉट फियर आई हैव, यू आर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग इट टू देम, बिकॉज इफ आई कैन डू इट देन देर इज नो नीड ऑफ यू डूइंग इट फॉर मी, राइट. So that is what the child is expecting, that he is saying that when you do something for me which I can already do, then I feel that you are contributing to my fear and inadequacy. But when you accept as a simple fact that I feel what I feel, no matter how irrational, then I can stop trying to convince you. So the child over here is trying to explain that please accept that what I'm feeling or what I'm expecting is normal. And when you accept this fact, then I will feel that okay, things are normal, and that I don't need to convince you guys. Okay, so that is what the child over here is expecting. Since he or she is a child, the thought is immature. Okay, so don't consider it कि बाबा right है, सही बोल रहे हैं कि यही problem होता है बड़े लोगों का. No, over here it is from a child's point of view, but if you see it from a parent's point of view, see, they give you advice, but they don't have any intentions of hurting you or making you contribute towards your fear. They give you advices so that you come out of that situation, because they don't want you to see, they don't want you to suffer, right? So they do it for our welfare only. It's just that here over here it's like a point of view of a child. ओके कि एक बच्चे को क्या लगता है वैसे बताया गया. सो डोंट कंसिडर इट कि या इट्स ट्रू एंड ऑलवेज द पीपल पेरेंट्स आर रॉन्ग. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. And then I can stop trying to convince you and get about this business of understanding what's behind this irrational feeling. So over here the child is trying to say that only, that when you understand that okay, this is my point of view and I have this thing clear in my mind, then there is no point that I should convince you, and I know that you will understand me. And वही कि मुझे कन्विंस करने का बार बार चांस नहीं मिलेगा, कि मुझे आपको बार बार कन्विंस नहीं करना पड़ेगा. आई वुड know that you will understand me. And when that's clear, the answer are obvious and I don't need advice. So over here they are trying to say it again and again. And when that point of view is clear, that when you will understand that okay, I have this point of view and this is what I feel and this is what my point of view is, then I don't need to convince you all again and again, and I would know that you are firm on your opinion, you are firm on my opinion. And that's when it is clear that I don't need advice. And that's when you'll realize that I am just expecting you all to listen and not give me advice. Irrational feelings make sense when we understand what's behind them. Okay, now what do you mean by irrational, students? Do you know the meaning of irrational? Something which you can say which is not logical or reasonable. Okay, जो logical नहीं होता उसको हम लोग irrational बोलते हैं. So irrational feelings make sense when we understand what's behind them. Okay, that's something which doesn't have logic, is something which you can understand when you understand what's behind that, and that is the point when it will make sense to you. Perhaps that's why prayer works sometimes for some people, because God is muted and he doesn't give advice or try to fix things. And that is when the child over here is trying to give example of God. He's trying to say that when God, and that is why prayers work. Prayers में क्या होता है, you just pray to God, right? God doesn't gives you any advice, or he in return doesn't say you anything. So that's what the child over here is trying to say, that is why I believe that prayers work, because in that case it is one way conversation. Only the person tries to say and the God keeps listening, and God is muted and he doesn't gives advice. And that is why things work. God just listens and let you work it out by yourself. And that is why he is feeling that yeah, God is correct, because he just listens and he doesn't gives any advice. And that is why things work for ourselves. So please listen and just hear me. And if you want to talk, wait a minute for your turn and I will listen to you. So that the child over here is trying to say that only, that if you want to talk, wait till the time I am done and give me a minute and then you say and I will listen to you. But don't tell when I am telling you something, because it feels like you are giving me advices which I don't like. Okay, so that is how you come towards the end of the poem. I hope you have understood what the poet over here is trying to say. 20 cents newspaper. This is reference to the column in the newspaper where people write about their problem and the columnistic offer advice. See if your local paper have it. So that is why they are saying that advice is cheap. 20 cents will give. You both dear Abby and Billy Graham in the same newspaper. Okay, वो लोग तो उसका question भी मतलब it's basically a column in newspaper where people give their problems and they share the solutions. So that was the poet over here is trying to say that advice is way cheap and anyone could give, but I want you all to listen to me. Okay, now the question towards the right side on page number 81, like what's the difference between hear and listen. बेसिक थिंग, एक बेसिक एक्सप्लेनेशन आप लोग बोल सकते हो. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय हियर एंड लिसन. तो सी हियर मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन यू जस्ट इट इज़ यू कैन गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ टीचर Okay, when you are just listening ऊपर से, but listening में क्या, when you are just hearing her, okay, ऊपर से इतना आप मन लगा के नहीं बोल पढ़ते सुनते, तब it is called hear. But listening is when you are listening it properly, जब आप अच्छे से सुनते हो and then you respond to her as well, so that is called as listening. Okay, so I'll give you a basic example so that hearing and listening is understood to you. So when you are on road, okay, and if you are in a traffic jam, you are stuck up in a traffic jam, so the noise of the vehicles and all, you know, the noise of the vehicles, that is something which you are hearing. कि आपका कोई इंटेंशन नहीं है वो सुनने का, बट आप वहाँ पे हो, इसके लिए आपको सुनना पड़ रहा है. एंड लिसनिंग इज नाउ, लेट अस सी एक एग्जांपल ये अभी लेक्चर का ले लेते हैं. सो यू आर लिसनिंग टू मी, वाई? बिकॉज यू नो के ओके ये चैप्टर इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैम जो बोल रही है वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है, वो सुनना नेसेसरी है, एंड इसीलिए यू लिसन टू मी. ओके, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड, दैट इज़ द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन हियर एंड लिसन. कि हियर इज़ जो आप, you don't intend to listen but you just hear it because you have to, but listening में you do it intentionally, आप उसको जानबूझ के सुनते हो. Okay, now the next questions, think and guess. How old is the poet? As I said, how old is the speaker in the poem? As I said कि वो एक immature बच्चा है, because बच्चा complain कर रहा है, बच्चे को नहीं समझता कि जो बड़े बोलते हैं वो हमारे अच्छे के लिए बोलते हैं. So you can say like a person, the speaker over here is a teenage kid or something like that. The rest of the questions on page number 81 and 82 would be your homework. Okay, coming towards page number 80, warming up session. Okay, we will leave this. Coming towards page number 82, workshop. The poet uses a free conversation style in this poem. It is called a colloquial style. Pick out and write down sentence and expression. Okay, you can leave this one. Sub-question 2. Put the following expression in tables of do's and don'ts as expressed by the poet. So please listen. The poet wants, तो या वो do's में चले जाएगा. Give me advice. पोएट को नहीं चाहिए कि आप एडवाइस दो, तो वो डोंट्स में चले जाएगा. वैसे आपको डूज डोंट्स में डालना है. दिस वुड बी योर होमवर्क. राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स, व्हाट डज द लिसनर डू व्हेन द पोएट आस्क हिम टू जॉइन to listen. Yeah, this would be again your homework. Sub question 3 ka A, B, C. Sub question 4, according to the poet, how does God help people? Again, this would be your homework. Why should one learn to tackle one problem? Why should seniors not overprotect or overpamper juniors? 5, 6 would be a homework. It is a personal response question. They are asking your response, so you can write it down. 8, 9, 10 is again, I guess, a rhyming scheme, so we can do it in the next session. So yeah, that was it for today's session. I hope you have understood the poem, the message from the poem which the poet is trying to give. And yeah, I hope you do your homework on time and submit it to your respective teacher. So yeah, that was it for today's session. We'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care. Bye.